Good afternoon, middle school families, students, and learning coaches. I want to congratulate our National Junior Honor Society inductees. You've done amazing work. Many of you have overcome struggles to get to this point. I applaud you. Know that your families are proud of you, your teachers are proud of you, and I'm proud of you. But most importantly, I hope you're proud of yourself. You should be. Only a small select number of students have earned the right to be inducted. You're only in middle school, though. Your journey's just begun. Soon you'll be in high school where the challenges will be greater and more will be expected from you. I'm confident that you will be up for the challenge, and I'm confident that your success this year, next year, and the years to come. I look forward to watching you grow and succeed over the coming years, as I have no doubt that you are destined for great things. I'd like to thank our faculty council members, Rhonda Singh, Carrie Myers, Rasha Kanza, Donna Wright, and our chapter advisor, Mary Stanzel, for their hard work in organizing this induction ceremony. Let's show our thanks with a round of applause. And now, back to the speaker for our final remarks.